This short guide explains how to buy shares of Titan SA, ticker TITC.BR. Titan SA trades on Euronext, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To start, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker TITC.BR to find the Titan SA listing. Make sure you select the result that shows the Euronext market. Open the Titan SA asset page to review basic company information in the price chart. Confirm the name, the ticker TITC.BR, and the Euronext listing to be sure it's the correct stock. Click Investor Buy, choose the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open, and the platform will ask you to add funds first if your balance is insufficient. Your Titan SA position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. A link to eToro is available in the description for your reference.